How are we doing, everybody? Welcome back to another Rigby video. Pacific Drive Part 7, I believe. In the last video, we met Ida, the store owner, out in the zone. And we unlocked challenges, which are just harder missions. And yeah, I'm going to get the car tuned up really quick, fix some issues, and then we'll be back on the open road. Alright. New challenge. Bypass expedition restrictions. Radiation does more damage. Rate of battery consumption is increased. Impacts do more damage to the car. Ugh. We gotta go this one. Okay. Oh wait, what's that? Wait, do I have to do the challenge? Oh, I guess we are. Wait, I don't want to, though. Not yet. Not yet. I want to see what else we can do. Alright. We could always go back here. Junction features. Scan the junction at the route planner to reveal details. Highway. Take the high road to get to your destination faster. There's a highway? Wait. Why can't I go here? What? Let's go here. There's no storms over here. I don't know what that means, but we gotta do some more exploring. Wait, why can't I go here? Alright, I guess we're going here. Alright, back on the road again, everybody. Oh, and it turns out I did have medkits, but I misplaced them. Whatever. On the road again. There we go. Let's go. Let's see what adventures await us today. I want to get more loot this time. We did not get enough loot. I want to find some different core. Actually, the goal for this video is to get the lightning rod. Dead end. Do not enter. What do you mean dead end? Do not enter. Oh, we could totally go here. Dead end. Do not enter. Why not? Alright, let's do a double header. We're gonna go here and then here because I want to get some more exploring done this way. Doing a double header. Another one. Another one. I wonder if Ida's shop is here because I brought some scrap metal with us for trading. So I guess we'll find out. And also the storm isn't anything bad like the yellow on the map. It just means it's gonna be rainy or like windy. But the main goal is to get the satellite dish for my battery. Because that's like a permanent solution to the battery jumper kits. Because I don't want to have to keep using those. I would rather use... And it's raining. Come on, man. Alright, so we're definitely going to stop there. And it's freaking raining, bro. You gotta be kidding me. Alright.
Holy moly, are you kidding me right now? Oppie, you saw it too, didn't you? Tell me you saw it too.
A pothole.
Saw what? What do you mean, what? Hallucinations, like the ones from 1961. It happened again, just a quick blip, like blinking you... Wait, you didn't see it?
I was in a total blackout. Colossal Cappy fried my systems.
Right, because sending the driver headfirst into Cappy didn't work out like you said it would. Big surprise.
Spare me, Francis. The driver's alive and your remnants verified. Isn't that all you wanted? Now, why are you two yapping about the mass hallucination?
When Cappy amplified the remnant signal, it triggered another hallucination event, but it only lasted 3 seconds this time. And not only that, we picked up that its source was northwest of us, specifically...
Literally the same place.
Somewhere in the deep zone.
That's impossible. It's been
The
40
deep
years.
zone, what's that? What are they talking about? Okay, we got a little loot. I would really like to get some electronics. Looks like Ida's not out here. Oh, that's how we leave down there. Well, I want to go up here because there's an electronic station over here, it looks like. Hopefully.
That's not all. This hallucination wave that triggered, we picked up its waveform. And it turns out it's equal and opposite to the remnant's waveform. They're paired signals. It means they're related. And what's more, if we bring that car to whatever this mass hallucination source is, we have a chance of nullifying the remnant and breaking its bond with the driver. A simple destructive interference.
This is insane! After all this time, we find a remnant, lead on the mass hallucinations of 61, and a possible way to free the driver? Pinch me, Francis, because this is the best thing that's happened in decades. Just when things were getting dull.
The remnants are the key to the mass hallucination. This whole time.
Yes, and you nearly destroyed it.
I need to go.
This is huge, Francis. We have so much work to do.
I know, I've already pulled every report on the mass hallucination event. Driver, listen, you stay safe out there. We'll report
Kidding me.
back to you once we've gone through all of this data. There's a lot of it. And be careful. Oppie's not in her right mind, okay? So, watch yourself.
Okay. No electronics. That is very awesome. Alright. Okay, we're out of the storm. Okay, I don't have my repair putty on me. Okay. Steel panel's not looking too hot. Let's fix it up there real quick. Let's go. Alright, let's move on. Let's keep going. And I could go here. It says it's a dead end. Do not go there. We're gonna go here, do some exploring. Angry abductors. Abductors move fast. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I hate those things. Alright, here we are. Ooh, there's a house and one of those things? That's awesome. I don't like the red sky. Not a fan of that. I really, really want to find some electronics. Holy crap, what is that? Oh no, an abductor. Is that an abductor? That has to be an abductor. Shoot, man. No, no. There's more, there's multiples. Stop, stop, stop. But there's a core over here. Okay. Turn that off. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull our car up a little bit, and then we're gonna go get the stuff. No way. Wait. Oh my god, get away from me, bruh. Bro. Alright, let's loot these houses. Okay. No electronics. Wait, is that an electronic? No, it doesn't count. Shoot. Okay, there it is. Can I go in here? I can. Is there anything to loot? Ooh. Yes! This is exactly what I was looking for. Any more electronics? Nice, some canned food. That's always a plus. I'll take that in a sec. No electronics. None. No electronics. Awesome. Oh no. Okay. Radiation's taking over this area now. That's why you always get the core last. Up, I'm gonna drive through this now. Shoot. Shoot. Come on. No. Alright, another house and no abductors in sight. Ooh, a bunch of houses. We're gonna go get that core, and then we're gonna go over there to that house because there's probably electronics over there. It's okay, we'll make it as long as we're driving fast past the abductors. There won't be any issues. Come on. What was that? Yo, can you stop? Couldn't care less about that. Just shocks our car a little bit. Okay, there we go. There we go. Ah, shoot. I went too far. Dang it. Okay. Well, where's the frickin' road? Oh. Come on. Don't do this to me right here. Oh no. Okay, we're good. Stop! Stop pushing me! Who are you? There are no abductors out here. Ay, ay, ay. What's happening? Oh no, dust bunnies! Get off my car! Bull bunny! Get off my car! Oh, come on. Shoot. Oh. Thank you. Ah, back on the road. Come on, work. Oh! Oh. Ah! Ow! Get off my car! Jerk! Ugh. What was that? No, wait, what was that? Okay. Alright. What is that? Oh, it's an abductor. That's cool. So if I go up this way, I should see the house. I can't pass up an opportunity for some plasma. Are you actually for real? Let me in. Okay. Y'all see that? Why is it following me around? Are you kidding me? Yo. Can it not? What does it think it's doing? Well, that's all I needed to see. I'm leaving. I got electronics. I got what I needed. Yo, can that thing stop camping this area? Bolt, 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 bolt. Go, 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 go. So we're gonna back up far enough until this one starts working. Wait, what if I go... Shoot, wait, hold on. What if I go... and start backing up like this until it works? Dang it. There we go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh Lord. Can I beat it? Can I beat it? I had to. Holy moly. Ah! Oh no, I understand the caution. I'm trying to move. Is one of my tires flat? Oh, it just disappeared. What is that? What is that? An unstable core? That I could get right now? Maybe in the next one. It's too close. Let's go. Another double header in the books. We got the electronics we needed, so let's build that lightning rod for the car. Because then I don't have to make battery jumpers anymore.
I owe you an apology.
Why?
I screwed up. I nearly got you killed. The things I used to calculate as easily as turning a screwdriver, they're foggy now. The numbers don't work themselves out like they used to. I haven't been myself for a long time, but I haven't needed to be. It's been me and this cursed place I created and nothing else for decades. But now, knowing that whatever caused the mass hallucination is still out there, I need to know what it is and why the remnants are connected to it. Francis was right about the remnant and the mass hallucination's paired signals. If we can get them together, maybe they'll cancel each other out and you'll be free.
Oh, man.
It's a shaky theory at best, but it's the only lead we've got for now. You can do nothing and twiddle your thumbs until that remnant drives you mad. Or, if you're willing to work with me, I'll give you the best chance to survive this thing. Think it through.
Betty.
And fix up your car while you're doing it. You'll need to for whatever you decide from here.
Ooh, return to Saram.
If you're ready to do this with me,
Oh.
here's a spot of good news. We aren't completely helpless when it comes to the instability. Back when the zone was active, we built ways to get where we needed to go. I need you to head back towards Sierra. But don't worry, I won't make you jump into Cappy again. When you're feeling up for it, take the route back to Sierra. I'll tell you what's next once you're there.
Alright, well, I guess that's what we're doing for the next video.
Hallucination. I can't believe it happened again. I can't believe I missed it.
Okay. Alright, well... Oh my goodness, the car is shot. Holy crap. Well, we got plenty of loot. Let's transfer it all in here. Alright, and where are my electronic? Oh, I don't even need to take anything. Let's build the lightning rod. There we go. Now, where do I put this thing? Yo, where do I... Where do I attach it to? Where does it go? Wait, what did that say? Front right side rack. Front right? Yo, where does this go? What? Where'd it go? Where'd my lightning rod go? No. Hold on. Wait, where did my lightning rod just go? Hello? Yo, where's my lightning rod? Is it on? Yo, where's my lightning rod? That's not the lightning rod. Wait, where did my lightning rod go? Hold on. Wait a dang minute. Where do you attach the lightning rod? Where do you put it on? Side rack. You put it on the side rack? So I need another side rack then. Where'd the lightning rod go? Are you kidding me? Oh. I put it in here by accident. Oh, I do install it on the side rack. So I need another side rack then. Perfect time for some... There we go. Alright, another expansion rack. Let's put it on. Should I put it on this side or put it on the other side? We're gonna get this side rack next. Bam, new side rack unlocked. Alright, so we're good. Let's bring the car back in. I don't want to work in the dark. Alright. Now, let's put back on my side storage. And let's put on the lightning rod. Woo! Let's go! Now we'll be able to absorb some electricity straight to the battery, which gets demolished way too easily. Nice! Because if we ever do one of those challenges, if you didn't watch the last video, you need a significant amount of electricity to free the stable cores. And my battery almost died mid-run, and that would have been terrible. So a lightning rod is a good way to recharge your battery without having to go through a ton of these battery jumpers. This is just more material efficient. So yeah, in the next video we'll go back to the Sierram. We'll go back to Sierram in the next video. I'll tune up the car, get some more materials, maybe build some stuff, and yeah, that was part 7 of Pacific Drive. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more Pacific Drive videos. I will probably be completing the entire game. This game is really fun. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys.